Let's start it up. You guys ready? You guys ready? You're recording or are you going?
I knew it, because that's time I did zombies as a kid.
Fucking right.
Let's record. Oh crap, I'm freaking scared already.
At least I have some like 20 to right fucking window.
And I went to, whoa.
Hey, where you guys at? Who is this? Hey, look behind you. Who is this? Who is this?
Who's the blonde?
What is
Who's
this?
the blonde? Who's that dude? Hey, look at
Hey, who's this douchebag right here?
Jhonny Bravo, dude.
Jhonny Bravo. Alright, that's with us, bro. Hey, follow me. Hey, I can't sprint. Look at
Wait,
this.
how do you change your sensitivity?
Who the fuck is wearing high heels?
It sounds like my character's fapping, dude. Hey, fag, you stop hating. Hey, can you change your sensitivity? No, you can't.
No, I'm not last.
Oh, shit!
Oh my god, look at
He's an ugly ass nigga. I hear a tape. I hear a tape. I hear this, here it is. I found one. You guys ready? Hey, what the hell? I turned it off. Wait, how do you pick it up? How do you pick it up? Oh, got it. Run, faggies, run! Hey, don't split up. Where'd you guys go?
You guys?
Oh, here's one. Hey, who's the blonde? Crazy behind you.
Oh wait, what's that dude?
He looks stupid as hell. Oh, who's this faggot? He's Jhonny Bravo. Hey, come on, we're gonna win this, bro, so we get new characters. You guys sound like you're jacking off.
I'm a girl, I don't jack off.
What is this? Oh, we can go outside? Oh shit, who wants to go first? Go ahead. Oh shit! Why you scream, faggy? Oh! Whatever. Jhonny Bravo, what happened? I'm looking away. Hey, go this way. Oh my god, I hear you screaming, dude. You guys, hey, blood! Blood on the floor! Guys, there's blood on the floor!
Sorry guys, my camp on fleeky.
Oh!
Oh, never mind.
Run away, faggots, run away! Dude, the nigga! Yeah. Oh, we died.
Wait.
Yeah, where's that green penis at? No. Hey, let's go. Hey, follow me. Let's go. We gotta look for her. Tape.
Dude, I'm a girl. You have to protect me.
Where the hell is Jhonny Bravo? Where's Jhonny Bravo?
Oh my god, you guys know what's doing.
Hey, come here, douchebags. I don't want to split up. Come on. Well, Jhonny Bravo's dead. I'm not even gonna... Where'd you go? Follow the light. Jhonny Bravo. Oh, what is this?
It's getting staticky.
Yeah, it is getting staticky. You okay? They're coming. Why are you screaming, dude? You okay?
Follow me.
Dude, who is you? Who yelled? Who yelled? Oh, zombie's dead. I'm not gonna look back, faggot. I'm not gonna look back.
Oh, I see a flashlight. Wait for me. I see a flashlight.
Wait.
Hey, look for tape, dude. Listen for tape.
Wait, stay.
I hear another one.
Stay together. Hold up. Hey, I see you guys. Wait, I see you guys. Turn around. You guys see this?
Oh, you're the ghost, right? I think we don't see you.
Yeah,
Yeah, he's a ghost in here. Look at Jhonny Bravo, he's dead.
Where's Jhonny Bravo at?
right here.
Look at Jhonny, bro. Look at this dead guy right here. Hey, you're holding a freaking thing, dude. A flashlight.
Vibrator.
It's Elvis Presley. Hey, did we go in circles? Oh no, we didn't. No, we didn't come here. Who's clapping right now, dude?
No.
Walk away. I'm not gonna try.
No.
This is what happens when you leave me, ass.
You guys still alive, bro? Panic is still recording. We were just here earlier. I hear screaming. Who the hell is screaming? Dude.
I think I stepped on you.
I know. It's Jhonny Bravo. Look at this guy.
I think that's crazy.
Hey, there's blood on the floor. There's blood on
Ritual
the floor.
spells. Ritual spells.
Walk away. Hey, how we can't
Just
sprint,
keep
dude.
swimming. Just keep swimming.
Let's go try it this way. I don't want to go first. I don't want to go
Just
first.
keep swimming.
Blonde girls go first. Come on, let's go. Oh,
we haven't been
I
here, we
hear
haven't
this
been here.
faggot growling, dude. What is this?
We haven't been here.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What's up?
Any tapes? You guys hear any tapes? Yes, ancestors. Oh, dude, it's your green penis. The green penis. Hey, don't get near you. Don't get near you. You're gonna get static.
No, hide in the corner. Hide in the
Look
corner.
away.
Hide in the
No.
corner.
Where are we gonna go? We're stuck.
corner.
Hey, just look away. Look away. I hear a tape.
I hear a tape.
Oh no, that's a green penis. Never mind.
Let's go, Basta. Leave him behind.
Hey, faggot.
I would like you better.
You guys go.
I would like you better.
Dude.
I'm behind you.
Zombie, you're with me. Hey, your ghost has.
Come on. I would like you better.
Oh my god, you guys are such douchebags. Why'd you guys leave me, man? Wait, you freaking douchebag. Panic, you look like an old freaking pedal bear, dude. I'm not even kidding.
Hey, let's go through here.
This is so stupid. I don't know why we're playing this.
Everybody turn off their lights.
Yo, look at that picture.
Yeah, grow up, fight.
Oh, I hear someone growling. Get out of there. Get out of here. Dude, we only found one tape, bro. We need
No, wait,
8.
we've been through this.
Hey, blood on the floor.
I don't see him.
Ain't nobody at the right. There's no one on the right.
Oh, look at this.
We can't.
It's
Oh,
fading.
I'm not going there again. Hey, this way, guys. Come here. This way.
Basta. Just leave him behind.
Hey, come on, come here, you douchebag.
Basta.
Oh my god, don't leave me again.
Come on, Basta, run.
I'm right here behind you guys. Hey, zombie, how'd you die? Zombie.
Left.
Zombie looks stupid as hell.
Don't make eye contact.
Oh my god,
Are we back here? Oh, I hear growling again.
Green thing.
I hear, oh, that's green dick. What is that? Oh, don't look at it. Don't look at it. Just look for tape. I think there's a tape on one dick. Oh, I'm not gonna get near that. Get away from that again. You're still gonna table.
Wait, panic. It's looks like messing up.
Everybody turn off their lights.
What? Hold on. You guys hear me? Oh, we got 2 tapes. We got 2 tapes.
Freedom!
Oh yeah, it is flickering. Oh crap. Oh crap.
I turned mine off.
Yeah, we got 2. We have 2 tapes now. Ah, green dick. Don't look at it. Never. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Hey, we lost Panic. Panic, John. Crazy, come here. Crazy, come here. Come on, come on, come on.
Oh, I'm lonely. I'm lonely.
Oh! Look, get away. Get away, get away, get away, get away, get away.
Where do we go?
I'm running away, dude. I don't care about you. Oh, where'd you go, crazy? Oh, here, wait.
I can't run. Wait, what's battery?
Have you been here?
Yeah. Through that door, right there. That door. This one right here.
You've been here, right?
Okay, just go through this red velvet.
I hear someone left side. That's
Oh, this one.
the gate. I don't care. Come on, come here. Crazy, come on. I don't want to die. Come here, come here, come here. VIP second. Come
Oh,
on.
who's that?
Oh, who is that? Oh, that's
Bad.
You guys want to do another map, dude? This map's so annoying.
How are you alive, Peter Bear?
Let's do another map.
I'll keep on going. Ah!